Good morning. This is David Bartley from Bartley Realty, 239-261-1186. And I'm here at Tollhouse Industrial Suites this morning, taking a look at the progress for building number 10. This project is being built by Phoenix Associates, who is Southwest Florida's premier commercial builder. We expect the slab to be poured on building number 10 by the end of the week, with a completion sometime in September of this year. We have units from 1,182 square feet up to 33,000 square feet. For information about this property, give me a call at 239-261-1186 or reach us on the web at www.bartleyrealty.com. Thank you and have a great day.